As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So we're looking at two propane grills, both around $400. The Weber Q2800N Plus and the Char-Broil Performance Series amplifier. Tough choice.
Yeah, seems like it. What's jumping out at you initially?
Well, the Weber is smaller. Product dimensions are 19.7 DX30 WX 16.7 inches H and lighter at 51.2 pounds. The Char-Broil is significantly bigger at 22.4 inches DX 44.5 inches WX 45.3 H and weighs 64 pounds. If space is an issue, Weber wins.
Okay, good point. But what about cooking space? I usually grill for a few people.
The Char-Broil has a larger cooking area, about 405 square inches total versus the Weber. The Weber fits about 12 burgers, while the Char-Broil claims it can handle 16. Plus, the Char-Broil has a warming rack.
Warming rack is nice. What about burners?
The Char-Broil has two burners with an 18,000 BTU rating. Weber only lists one main burner, but it also has a plus burner for searing. It seems like the Weber is more focused on high heat searing, and Weber has a wider temperature range, 250 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit.
Interesting. So Char-Broil for overall cooking space and maybe a bit more even heat, and Weber for searing power?
That's how I'm reading it. Also, the Char-Broil boasts its amplifier infrared cooking tech, which claims to grill juicier food and prevent flare-ups.
Ah, marketing buzzwords. But does it work?
Hard to say for sure. The reviews are pretty good for both, though the Char-Broil has way more reviews. Almost 1,000 compared to Weber's 41. Both are around 4.5 stars.
Okay. Anything else stand out?
The Weber has built-in mounting for Weber Connect Wi-Fi hub probes if you want to monitor your grill remotely. The Char-Broil has a tank gauge, which is super useful for knowing when you're about to run out of propane. And the Char-Broil has a cabinet to hide the propane tank, which is a nice aesthetic touch. Weber's side tables detach.
Right, so if I'm looking for something compact with searing power and don't mind buying the smart probe separately, the Weber might be the way to go. But if I want more cooking space, a warming rack, and a propane tank cabinet, the Char-Broil is a solid choice.
Exactly. Both seem like decent grills for the price. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.